So, how do you change your phone number on eBay? So, to start off, I already logged in my account on eBay and I'm currently using a browser to use eBay on my mobile to make adjustments. So, here you just need to click on your profile. Now, here you need to click on account and click on the personal information. Now here you would see all the personal information that you have, including your phone number, and we just need to click on edit. Now here we just need to adjust our mobile number to whichever you'd like. So after that, you need to hit save and you would need to verify your phone number. After everything is verified, your phone number will be linked to your account. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.